About 12 years ago, me and my friend Matt were living in London in a flat. Kirsty was my girlfriend and she'd come to visit us. While me and Matt went out to get a coffee, Kirsty stayed in and tidied the flat because I am very messy. Thanks, Kirsty. After a while, we got a phone call from Kirsty. Kirsty said, "Joel, I think I can hear some birds inside the flat." I didn't really listen to her. I had other things on my mind, and so I ignored her. A while later, I got a text message from Kirsty. She said, "Joel, I can definitely hear birds in the flat. Come home." But I didn't believe her. When we got home, we walked into the flat. Kirsty said, "Joel, Matt, come to the kitchen." We went into the kitchen and she said, "Listen." When we did stop to listen, we heard a little cheeping sound. We hunted around the kitchen and sure enough, behind the toaster, we found a nest of 4 baby birds. We had no idea how they got there. We thought they must have flown in through an open window. Fortunately, we were able to safely take the chicks and transport them to a safe place where they'd be taken care of. But this story just goes to show, when someone wants to tell you something important, you should always listen. It's the same with God. God has all kinds of things He wants to tell us that are really important. But we'll never know if we don't take the time to listen. The best thing is, just like Kirsty phoning and texting and talking, God can talk to us in loads of different ways too. Why not take some time to listen and see what God would like to say to you?